Hello everyone, welcome to the Palmstreet shipping tutorial. Today, we'll be going over how to create shipping labels and ship your orders via the Palmstreet app. If you are interested in shipping via the Seller Hub, please check out the separate video where we go in depth into the shipping process. Once your live show or purge is complete, or if you've had a marketplace sale, you'll be able to find your sales in settings and purchase the label to print there. To find your sales, you're going to go to your profile, and then you're going to hit the settings button in the top right corner. Once you're in settings, scroll down a little bit to the selling area and then click My Sales. When you enter this tab, there will be a bunch of different tabs and features. The first tab you enter into is Invoices. Here, you can check the status of different invoices you have sent out. We'll go over the invoice feature in depth in a different video. We're going to head over to the next tab though, Ready to Fulfill. This tab has the orders that you still need to pack and create a label for. We're going to stay here for a minute. To see the orders each buyer has, you're going to click on their username. It'll take you to a screen with all orders ready to be shipped. If a buyer has multiple orders together, you'll be able to select Bulk Actions in the top right-hand corner. Then you can select every item that will be sent together. If the items need 2 or more boxes to ship, only select the orders that will fit into a box to combine. That way the buyer isn't confused or upset if the items arrive on separate days. Once you have the item selected, you'll hit Purchase Label. Before we move on, let's head back to the order and then ship as if we only have one item to be shipped. So we are going to click into the order, and then you'll be able to see different info related to that order. To purchase a label, select Buy Shipping Label. You're going to confirm the address that the item is going to be shipped from, and then hit Next. Here, you'll have to input packing information. How much does it weigh, and what are the dimensions of the package? For this example, we are going to say that the package weighs 2 pounds and that it is a perfect square of 8 by 8 by 8. Once you have this information filled in, select Next, and then confirm the weight and the dimensions of the package. Here is where you pick how you want to ship, and you can see the cost of each label. Choose your label depending on what the shipping is and then what the buyer is asking for. Once you select your method, hit Next. You'll get a confirmation. Confirm that your information is correct, that you have chosen the shipping that best fits what you're selling, and then hit Yes. Now you'll be able to pay for your label. Confirm the information shown is correct, and then if you scroll down, you can see the different ways that you can pay for your label. Here, you can use your Palmstreet balance, Apple Pay, or an assigned card. The best way to pay for labels is with your Palmstreet balance. So after a live show is over and you get paid, leave some money in the app to pay for your next set shipping labels. And then whenever you're ready to purchase your label, hit Pay for Shipping Labels. You'll get a confirmation that the order has been successfully created and that you have a label. Select Download. The label will be available to be sent to your printer. And if for whatever reason you're unable to send it to your printer directly from your device, you'll also get this label emailed to you, so that way you can go to your email and print it through there. Once you have it purchased, you can go back to the order and the information will now be in label created. The tracking number for this order is automatically put into the order, so buyers will know that the order has had a label created, and then all you have to do is pack it up and take it to your designated drop-off location. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you with your selling journey on Palmstreet. Please feel free to comment for any future videos that you would love to see, and if you have any questions, reach out to the support in the app for help. Happy selling!